Hello, I'm Alicia and I am here at Tekscape. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo on Cisco Webex Teams and how it works. Cisco Webex Teams, which is formerly known as Cisco Spark, is a collaboration platform where you can integrate features such as sharing files, instant messaging, voice, and video, which makes collaborating with your teams much easier. First, let's log into the platform. Here on the home screen, you can see all of the open chats and conversations that I have with people from my team, as well as the team spaces I'm a part of. As you can see, I'm part of the marketing team space. If I click there, I can see the active chat where all of the team members are able to post comments related to the team. On the top right corner, you'll see all of the tools that you can use to collaborate within this team space. You can message, video call, set up a meeting, whiteboard, see all the other team members, and see all of the files that we have shared with each other. There are two ways to create a team space. One way is from the home screen. Click on the plus symbol and select Create a Space. The second way is select the Teams icon on the left-hand side of the screen, click the plus symbol, and create a new space. Let's go ahead and create a new team space. We'll call this team Video Production Team, and I'll add a few members. I'll want to send a welcome message to all the participants of the team. Click here on General, and this will open the chat window. Here's a tip. To help your team members stay on top of all the conversations they are a part of, you can use the @ symbol, which will notify the individual members of an active conversation where they are being mentioned. But I'll send this one to all. To share files with your team, select the attachment icon at the bottom and add your files. Once the files are shared with your team, they will be located in the top right of your screen under Menu and then under Files. Setting up meetings with your team has never been so easy. Inside your team space, go to Menu, click on Meetings, and create a meeting invite. It will automatically connect to your Outlook to schedule your meeting with a WebEx link. So I'm going to set up a meeting for today at 4 p.m., send the invite, and done! Everyone is ready to meet at 4. Last thing I want to show you is how to make a call using an endpoint connected by WebEx. Here at Tekscape, we have 3 different video endpoints connected by WebEx. I'm going to show you how to place a call from the Cisco Webex Room Kit. Click on Menu, click on Call, and then under More Options, you can select the endpoint device you'd like to use. I'm going to select Main Area. The system will automatically call all the participants in my team space. Well, now you know how Cisco Webex Teams works. I hope this video was useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website. Thanks for watching.